providing point defense of forces and strategic administrative and industrial installations against air attacks, determines the capacity of a state to deter external aggression. A modern, effective air defense system can be built around the Panzer S1 self-propelled anti-aircraft gun missile system. The uniqueness of the Panzer S1 system is that its target and missile acquisition and tracking equipment, together with missile and cannon armament, are mounted on one combat vehicle, which provides a continuous target engagement zone at ranges of up to 20 kilometers and altitudes of up to 15 kilometers. The maximum speed of engaged targets is 1,000 meters per second. The Panzer S1 can be mounted on wheeled or tracked chassis and is also available in a container variant. Its special version, mounted on an articulated tracked vehicle, has been developed for operation in Arctic conditions. The weapon system can acquire and engage targets while on the move, making its detection and destruction difficult. One combat vehicle can simultaneously engage up to 4 air targets. The Panzer S1 system includes combat assets, maintenance assets, and training aids. The combat assets include combat vehicle, surface-to-air missiles, and 30mm rounds. The combat vehicle's armament is comprised of a launcher with 12 ready-to-fire surface-to-air missiles and two A-38M 30mm anti-aircraft guns with 1,400 rounds. The two-stage missile is fitted with a solid rocket booster. Its 20-kilogram high-performance warhead accounts for 70% of the sustainer stage's weight. The automatic anti-aircraft guns, with a total rate of fire of up to 5,000 rounds per minute, use 30mm projectiles with a muzzle velocity exceeding 900 meters per second. Training aids make it possible to efficiently train personnel in target engagement at minimal cost to ensure high results during firing. The Panzer S1 anti-aircraft gun missile system is the best in its class air defense weapon. It can provide protection against any modern air attack weapons.